Hi, this is Dr. Scott Treaty again, and I wanted to take a minute here to talk about how we deliver care in our office. Because it is different in every office. Some offices are very formal, very clinical, very rigid. Other offices are not that way. I think we sit in the middle between formality and being informal, but that's not really where I want to lead with this or where I want to head. What I want to talk to you about is how do I and how does the staff here communicate with you and connect with you so that we can provide unique care? I mean, how do we set ourselves apart so that you can have a great experience? And it's easy. I mean, I find it to be easy. It's a logical answer, and that is we tune into you. First of all, communication is the key to all. It turns out that studies show that communication or patient consultation provides 75% of the positive results in clinical situations. That is, with all the diagnostic tools, the MRIs and the CAT scans and all the great stuff that we have for diagnosis, it turns out that even with those tools, it comes down to real doctoring. Real doctoring is listening and tuning in. Like listening and hearing what you're saying and thinking about your life. Like, what is your work life like? Do you commute? What's your personal life like? How's your workouts going? Those are the things that lead to doctoring that makes a difference, not the diagnostic tools. The diagnostic tools are there, in my opinion, to support what a good doctor with clinical experience that listens to someone, it's there to support what the doctor's already thinking or already is assessing. So that's the basis of this communication, this listening and tuning in. There's also nonverbal listening or tuning into you too. So there is, as most people know at this point, when a chiropractor is looking at you, we are checking your body to see any subtle or gross asymmetries or tones or things like that that give us a clue to what needs to happen to have you fully healthy and thriving. So there's listening, and then there's tuning in by really watching you and how you move, how you're getting along, what your body's saying. So there's what you're saying and what your body's saying. That is what we focus on in this office, myself and my team. So we talk about it all the time. We're very tuned into you. That's our goal, to deliver unique care, is to be really tuned into you. And we're going to keep that coming. We're going to be there for you all the way, tuning into you, making sure that we know your unique experience physically, and we look forward to clearing your nervous system so that you can have a greater and greater experience even as you age. I'm going to say that again. Under really good chiropractic care, you actually get more open, more flexible, and stronger as you age. Think about that. I know that maybe we have children that are considering care, so it's not as relevant, but for adults, you need to know that that's possible. And actually, it's an expected result here with good chiropractic care, with a tuned-in doctor and team that's listening to what you have to say and listening to your body, what your body has to say as well. So once again, thanks for choosing us. We're excited to have you, and let's get going. Let's have it. Let's get you thriving. Thank you.